Power Pack 2 allows you to set offsets for the outside or inside of an object or to both sides. This is a great way to add a shadow effect. Press Add Design. Choose an Artwork Design folder from the drop-down menu. Select a design and then hold down the left mouse button to draw the design. Release the mouse when it's the size you desire. Click on the Select tool. The artwork will automatically be selected. Click on the Arrange tab. Click on the Offset down arrow and then choose Create Offset. Perimeter is checked with Outside for the default setting. Place a check mark in front of holes and then Inside for the direction to create an offset to the inside of the logo. Choose how many offsets and the offset spacing and then click OK. Click on a different color tile for the offset. This will help you see the artwork. To see what was created, place a check mark in front of Fill in the Properties window and then click Apply. Move the offset to the first segment in the Sequence View window. Select all items in the Sequence View window. Press Layering Alignment. Click OK to use the default alignment settings. Select all items in the Sequence View window. Press Separate Layers. Press OK, name the file, and then press Save. For more information about this and other Brother products, visit your local authorized Brother dealer.